I'm sitting outside of work. Because I don't feel like going in right now. And I was watching one of the YouTubers that I watch, and she was eating a Built bar, a Built Puff bar. It's a protein bar. Well, the kind she was eating was chocolate cookie dough chunk, something like that. They didn't have that. So I got the coconut one. Baby, this tastes like I'm eating a big ass marshmallow. It's so good. This is really good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Real good. Real good. If I can get out of the damn paper.